You know what worries me? And here I try to use as a vague metaphor, quantum physics. Till now, we usually said, if you are a conservative, if you are a liberal, if you are a progressive, one single story. For example, for old socialists, capitalism was first good, then it brought too much self-destruction, we have to move on and so on. But today, aren't we caught in 3-4 potential catastrophic directions? We have ecology, warming, we have threat of war, we have cultural wars and so on and so on. And this is such a messy situation where it's very difficult to reduce this to a simple narrative. For example, in an old Marxist way, to say, oh, it's all rooted in capitalist dynamic. It may be, but it's still a mess, I mean.
And unfortunately, that's true. I may be starting to work a little bit with a political scientist, Tad Homer-Dixon, who likes to talk about polycrisis now. I don't know if that's a popular word or not. Trying to understand how all the different crises can happen together, but it would be just a start. The things that we used to think about when we thought, the big problematic idea in I don't even want to say that, but, Stu Kaufman, Bach, and these people who developed ideas about complexity were not wrong. They were geniuses. They had, to me, very important ideas to think about. But they didn't push them through enough. And they didn't push them through the contradictions. And now when up against what we really should know about, we look silly. Am I going to take all the things you mentioned and build myself a big flag that says complex systems and march into battle there?